So last week, I covered the entire Black Friday, Cyber Monday strategy on what we're planning to run for our clients, the dates, the strategies, the tactics, etc. Now, one thing that I mostly glossed over was the email design and the email tactics in that video. So in this video, I'm going to be covering the actual emails to send out, how to design them, and what kind of designs work best, and what types of things within emails push more conversions. And if you didn't watch that last week's video, go ahead and click at the link at the top to check it out, and let's jump in. So here we are in the Figma file that goes over the entire strategy again. So you can go through the entire strategy, the tactics, the actual calendar. The link is down in the description below to get it downloaded. It's the first link. But today, again, we're going through the actual email examples, the subject lines, the nitty-gritty details that I may have glossed over last week. So last week I did go over Chuga emails, but you know what, let's switch it up a bit and go through Research Verified. Research Verified is a supplement brand that specializes in supplementing for older adults, 50s, 60s, 70s, and whatnot. So a lot of it is catered to the old crowd. Now, the way that we ran BFCM last year is we did an early access sale, number one, and then we did a major Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, number two. So once we have people sign up for the early access, initially we prompt everyone on the list to sign up. And once they sign up, they get the actual confirmation email saying like, you're in, start shopping on November 21st, which is when we launched our early access sale. Now, one of the things that we did do in the early access launch is we actually highlighted some of the benefits of here's your chance to be the first in line, join our early access waitlist for exclusive first look on Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, where you'll find the best prices on top products. And this is the perfect opportunity to stock up on your favorites months ahead, so that way you can save money. Now, when we actually launched the VIP sale, we had a timer at the top to show that like, hey, this is only going on for 48 hours. That's how VIP sales work. We want to have them for a short window and then completely shut them down. So our subject line is VIP access starts now. Save big with up to $175 off on 1, 3, or 6 bottles. So the preview line already has some offer language in there just to get them through the door. As we go through, we have exclusively for you, we have some of these mock-ups. We have a stacked offer going on here. Instead of 50% off or 40% off or any base discounts, we were kind of like trying to stack the offer here to increase the amount of average order value that we get in. If they get 6 bottles, they have $175 off. If they get 3 bottles, they get $75 off. If they get 1 bottle, they get $10 off. So basically buy more, save more. Talked about that in the last video, but here we're highlighting it further with the actual offer. Experience the difference. Again, going through that, and then we keep highlighting it here with the last chance email. Again, having that timer at the top showing urgency and scarcity that like, hey, it's only for a limited time. We also had some of their best sellers on here going through if they want to buy those bottles. And then here is the actual Black Friday, Cyber Monday offer. So same offer tier essentially of 6 bottles, 3 bottles, 1 bottle, but we're going with a % off instead of $1 off. It seems like during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or at least Black Friday, people love to see bigger numbers and bigger discount numbers. So if we could go 60% off or 50% off, that means we're able to sell through more. And at the same time, because it's a supplement products have very, very good margins. So in this case, we were able to push to 60% and then tier down as we're going through. So even here, we're kind of using the Starbucks pricing model. If you're not familiar with what that is, we have 1 bottle is just 15% off. So we're pushing people to buy at least 3 to 6 bottles to get maximum savings. Again, driving up average order value, driving up net profit throughout this sales period. And as we go through, we have like turmeric, resveratrol, glutathione, all of these major best-selling supplements. And as we go through, we keep highlighting the discounts of like 60% off, more supplements. And then now we go cyber, which is like science-based formulas. Oh no, we still have more emails. But we're trying to back it up with real results and as well as a testimonial. And we're going final hours of Black Friday savings. This is more so sent on Sunday. So we're going Black Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then on Sunday, we're sending out a final email, essentially. And then we have one last email here, or this is actually an SMS. This SMS here is the same thing. This is the image that we used for the SMS, and the message is just Black Friday is officially here, but inventory is quickly selling out. Shop the deal before it's too late. Now moving on to Cyber Monday, and here we kind kind of have like a cyber effect on one of their best sellers, and the deal goes on up to $170 off. So we reduced that offer. You know, if you remember, we had 175 off, 75 off, and $10 off. So now we had like an extra $5 in margin. So 170 off, 70 off, and $7 off. Discounts already automatically added to cart and whatnot. So one thing to consider is if you're doing a VIP sale, you want to make sure that the VIP sale is coded so that way you can track and attribute purchases from email, number one. But also number two is that it's gate kept only through email. And that's your main selling point. You're not launching your VIP to everybody because we want people to sign up for the email list, grow your email list so that way we can capitalize later on in December and Q1 and Q2 of next year. So we want people to sign up for that exclusivity and get those best deals on the VIP sale. Once the VIP sale is over, that's when we unlock all of the deals for everybody in public. So that's when we have the banners on the websites. That's when we have call to actions on our socials, call to actions on our ads, that sort of thing. And during these times, that's when you want to reduce the friction as much as possible. So we want to tell them through email, but we want to make sure that all of the discounts and the offers are actually done through site-wide rather than a coupon code. Searching for a coupon code is only going to be more and more frustrating, and especially if you're trying to buy something really quickly and whatnot, you might lose the coupon code, and you may lose that conversion as a customer or as a brand. Here, we still have site-wide sales for Cyber Monday, just going through Cyber Monday deals, best sellers, and then here we have cash them while you can, last chance to save up to $170 off. And again, this is just our last call, final push. Are you enjoying some of the strategy that we're going over and want something like this implemented for your brand during Black Friday, Cyber Monday? Go ahead and click the link down in the description below, book a call with me, and I'll go through the entire strategy that we run through with our clients and how you can implement it for your brand, or have us implement it for you. Up to you. Go ahead and click that link down below, and I'll see you on the call. Let's get back to the video. Another brand that we did BFCM for last year, and similar strategy where it's save the date. We want to let people know when our early access VIP sale is going on. We want to have them join the wait list. And then when the VIP sale happens, this one was more so for 12 hours. It was very quick, very short, but the people that got in got a really good deal. And we're doing a flat 30% off with the code VIP30. Again, locking it down for just email and SMS. And we have the different Vital Charge, Vital Pro, Vital Elite, all have the price marked down. So you can see you get like $100 off the Vital Charge, like $135 off the Vital Pro, and $300 off the Vital Elite. So all of these have different prices, of course, but the goal here is that they're getting 30% off, and it's a flat 30% off everything. Now, again, doing a last chance, final hours left on the second email, again, just highlighting those discounts even further. And now we have the actual Black Friday deal go on. So it's get up to $450 off your red light therapy device. And this is the main call to action of get up to $450 off, because that is how it is with this Vital Charge premium bundle. And this is like a mix of bundle, but also utilizing the discounts properly. Here we have, get the Vital Charge and the Vital Elite bundle for only $1,000 instead of paying $1,500. Vital Charge and Vital Pro bundle is now $400 off. The actual Charge is about $80-ish off. The Pro is another like $130 off. And then the Elite is a steeper discount than what we had before. Actually, no, it is not as steep as the VIP sale. So we made the VIP sale a little bit juicier for the people that are there, but we're also trying to get those bundle deals happening because we want to raise that AOV as well as go through more stock, especially for this brand that has a ton of stock that they wanted to get rid of, especially of the Vital Charge, because they were moving on to the next generation of the product. We continue to go through the exclusive access of deals ending soon, save before it's too late. And then we went with a gifting angle on Sunday and also going over some of the benefits, quickly highlighting the selling points if someone is still on the fence on whether this device is right for them or whether they can gift this over to someone else. We're also doing a final hours before Black Friday shuts down, and then Cyber Monday happens. This is where we have the code of $459 off plus extra discount. So again, we're just trying to push harder and harder. So now it's like an extra couple dollars off, slashing the prices even further. Now for this brand, they could swing it. Again, they have better margins and they were able to swing it, and they had a lot of inventory that they needed to get through. So for them, it made sense to highlight and go really, really deep with the discounts. But for the most part, we don't have to go through this much of a discount. You can always step up in Cyber Monday and not give too much of a discount. So the main takeaways from this is make sure for the VIP sale, keep it code only. Everything for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, have it site-wide. Try to launch the VIP sale a little bit earlier than Black Friday. We typically go a week to a week and a half before the actual Black Friday day happens, not only to get spikes in the revenue earlier, but also to basically gauge interest and test through different offers before finally launching Black Friday. So all that being said, hope you learned something new today. If you liked the video, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this on a weekly basis, hit subscribe down below. And if you want us to handle your Black Friday and Cyber Monday, click the link down in the description to book a call with me so we can set up your own custom strategy. And YouTube thinks you're going to love this video right here, so go ahead and check that out after this one. It's Nikita, and I'll see you in the next one.